Save for a rainy day. Keep money or something safe for future problems. We should save food for a rainy day. I keep some money to save for a rainy day. Face like thunder. Looking very angry. He came home with a face like thunder. He had a face like thunder after the fight. Snowed under. To have too much work to do. She is snowed under at the office. We are snowed under before the exam. On cloud 9. Very, very happy. They were on cloud 9 after their wedding. She was on cloud 9 after winning the prize. In a fog. To feel confused. I was in a fog after bad news. She felt in a fog when she woke up early. Get a frosty reception. Be treated in an unfriendly or cold way. He got a frosty reception at the party. The boss gave him a frosty reception for his mistake. Head in the clouds. Daydreaming or not paying attention. Don't keep your head in the clouds during work. He always has his head in the clouds in class. Chase rainbows. To try for something impossible. He is chasing rainbows with that dream. The boy chased rainbows, dreaming of flying. as right as rain. Feeling completely fine or healthy. He took the medicine, and now he is as right as rain. She was sick yesterday, but today she is as right as rain.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!